guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're opening some trucks and cars from Hot Wheels and Tonka. I can't wait to check them out. This Tonka Metal Hitch 'em Up looks really fun. Look, it's a police car. And it's got a trailer. There's other Hitch 'em Ups you can collect. We also have this Hot Wheels Road Roller. This even comes with a car. It has a detachable cab, and it can carry your favorite Hot Wheels vehicle. Collect all of the hollers. We also have a 5-pack of Track Aces. These are ready to race. They're going to be so fast on the race course. Let's check them out. This Tonka truck comes with this really neat little trailer. And we have this really cool police mounted unit truck. Look, it has big lights right there. It also has a siren at the top. It has extra gas cans in the back. So fun! It's easy to hook on the trailer. We're ready. Let's go! The road roller works really well. To detach the cab, all you have to do is pull. Super simple. Wow, this cab is so cool. I love the flaming skeleton on the side. I also like it being a longer size. And look at those 2 exhaust pipes. The engine is really cool too. Our trailer has the flaming skeletons. It also has the Hot Wheels logo. And this side you can see a decal of a Hot Wheels hot rod. You can open the back door and load up cars or take them off again. Look! All Hot Wheels size vehicles will fit. Just snap together and you're ready to go. This set comes with this really cool hot rod. Look at the exhaust pipes in the engine. So fun! And it also has the flaming skeleton on it. You can see right inside. Let's check out our race aces. Whoa, look at this cool green one. It's number 7. This is number 68. This blue and yellow race car is really cool. Wow, black and orange. What a great combination for number 5! Now we have this red race car. It's number 48. You can see its engine in the front. It even has a spare tire in the back. Number 23. Wow, what a great bright yellow race car. He's got red rims. So fun! Wow! Check it out! We have a car hidden in our fancy tube. I think there's another one in there too. There is! Let's see what kind. Wow, it's a race car. So cool! It's time to rescue the cars. We have a police truck and 2 mighty machines ready to help. We've got one car out already. There's our second car. One car was super easy to get out. Yay! We freed the cars! Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.